As one of 50/50 joint venture in China, Dongfeng Cummins Engine Company, DCEC, was established in the year of 1996, producing Cummins B, C, D, L, Z series mechanical and electronic engines, covering 3.9 to 13 liters engines with the power from 20 to 600 kilowatts. DCEC engines are widely used in energy, maritime, automotive, construction machinery, water pump set, and railways applications. DCEC marine engine power range covering from 47 kilowatts to 253 kilowatts. Emission standard can reach up to IMO Tier 2.
Hi everyone, this is Haley from SeaMac, part of EMAC Group. In this video, I will introduce DCEC 6C series marine engines. DCEC 6C series marine engines is a 6-cylinder inline engine with 8.3-liter displacement. Equipped with BYC PB pump, RSV governor, and water-air intercooler system. The rated power covering from 138 kW to 164 kW. At rated speed range from 1,800 and 2,328 per minute. The emission standard can reach up to IMO 2. The overall dimensions of our DCEC 6C series marine engines is around 1,560 and 900 by 1,400 mm, and the net weight is around 700 kilograms. The standard DCEC 6C series marine engines comes with following accessories: heat exchanger, seawater pump, air filter, fuel filter, fuel water separator, starter motor, fuel pump system, charging alternator, flywheel housing. Based on standard DCEC marine engines, SeaMac provides abundant optional items, mainly including spring starter motor, hydraulic starter motor, hydraulic clutch, spark arrestor tap muffler, digital engine control lever system, and other customized accessories. With a professional and experienced engineering team, SeaMac also provides customized modification services for all of our customers, such as water-cooled exhaust manifold, water-cooled turbocharger, dual starter flywheel housing, keel cooling system, etc.
Committed to providing premium propulsion system and power system for all kinds of ship all around the world. SeaMac is a sub-brand of EMAC that focusing on maritime application. SeaMac's ranges of products are marine main engine, cover power range from 50 horsepower to 5,000 horsepower. Advanced gearbox, marine propellers, electric control lever system, marine generator set, and marine auxiliary engines. All kinds of other marine accessories. All SeaMac's products are approved by CCS, and some of our products able to provide BV, LR, ABS, DNV, and GL, RS, and other classification societies.
Thanks for your time with us. Welcome to contact SeaMac at any time via email, telephone, WhatsApp, WeChat, Facebook, LinkedIn, or YouTube. For more details about our company products and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage, SeaMac.com.